Okay, as you can see, I have the dishwasher torn all apart. But I have a nickname in this household called the Fixer. And this is why my nickname is the Fixer. The wife says, hey, my dishwasher quit working. So I check out the things you normally would check out, make sure it's got power, make sure it's closing good and no latches are failing to connect there and all that looks good. So I'll go ahead and take off the front panel, and it appears by looking at it that the main control board is likely fried. So got on eBay and looked up the model number that's listed on the board here. Found a used one on eBay for, it was $76, I think. I could have bought a new one for about $150, but once you start spending that kind of money, then probably better just to go buy a new dishwasher. But this is not the bottom dishwasher. It's got stainless steel tub and stuff in it, so I'm willing to risk $76. So I figured, hey, let's record the installation of this control board here, and let's hope for the best and see what happens. A lot of these boards, you'll find you can only plug stuff in one location, so that's a saving grace on a lot of them. But we'll take a picture just in case we have any questions about how this thing went together. Pictures is always a good idea. And now let's see what it's going to take to disassemble this. And can't see with my glasses, can't see without my glasses. So let's see. Just going to work these plugs out of here, and you didn't get to see me totally disassemble the other one, but it took a little bit of figuring out to get the cover off, and it had a latch down at the bottom, but it wasn't too bad. Okay, that's that. Let's unplug these. So, always make sure you turn off the power to these things before you start. It's a really good idea. Let's see if we can pop this panel out. There we go. Voila. Okay, so there's the board exposed. Now, these wires will have to come off. So we take this bottom clip off. See if we can figure that out. Yeah, sometimes it's not real obvious. You just got to do a little bit of figuring. And there we go. All right. Now these should pop out. Okay, they've got clips here. Should slide right out. Let's lay them in order that they come off. It'll help us remember how to put them back on the other side. Okay, so let's see if we can get this board out. We get the other one out. Wish that board would come off. Let's see if it won't. Oh, wait a minute. Look at there, look at there. I think Come on. Looks like it will come off. Voila. It did come off. So this one should go back on. Beautiful. Okay, so now it's popped back in. We've got to start connecting up the wires. That piece goes in and pops up, and I think this piece here pops in there. Let's put it back together and see what happens. Let's just cover it on. Okay, now that I've got the bottom two in, the top one's in, should be just a matter of putting the rest of the screws in. Okay, the door's back together, the screws are all snug, nothing left to do now but let's close it up and see if it'll respond. Let's see if it comes to life. Let's see if I am the fixer or if I just know how to tear things apart. I don't work this thing very much, so I'm not sure how to actually operate it. Okay, I touch normal and control lock come up here. Let's see. Okay, now let's do normal. Okay, yeah, that looks good. So let's just hit start and see what happens. We've got lights. I hear sound. It says washing. It appears to be working. I hear water. Awesome. That's awesome. And so instead of spending the $600 or instead of getting a repairman out and him charging you $150 plus parts, which would run you around $300 total probably, we spent $76 on eBay. We made the change ourselves, and it is now washing. So that's a wrap. A success story. Hope it helped you in some way, if nothing else, but encouraged you to not be scared of stuff like this. You don't have that much to lose as long as you kill the power to it before you start. Worst you can do is tear it up. Annalie, what's my nickname?
You're the fixer.
I'm the fixer.